Rules of getting lean body. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to share with you a topic about rules of getting lean body. Let's get started. 1. Get your baseline on what your daily food intake is. Track it, write it, analyze it. Without this information you're just guesstimating and it's more or less doomed to be very flawed. 2. Always focus on building and maintaining muscle mass when you want to get rid of body fat. You need to keep up strength in the gym and fight wanting to pace yourself or lower the weights. 3. Choose the foods that satisfy your appetite without ruining your calorie budget. You need to eat to keep your hunger at bay or you'll go binge or overeat. 4. Always have protein in your meals. Protein stabilizes blood sugar, helps build muscle and burns energy for you when it's being digested. No other food group does all that. 5. Don't try to out-train a bad diet with cardio training. It seldom works. Never for most, including me. 6. Use supplements to make sure you meet your micronutrient needs. Calcium, vitamin D equals essentials. 7. Don't rely on the scale on a daily basis. You can gain and lose a few pounds one day to another, but it's not fat and not muscle. It's water. Go by mirror, how your clothes look, and don't freak out when you have bloated days for no apparent reason. Actually, the leaner you get, the more you get affected when you retain water. You will lose cuts and look smooth now and then. 8. Use Refeed strategically, but don't do it too soon. It's best done when you're getting pretty lean or can see muscle definition. If you're overweight, it's better to do a slight increase in calories once a week. When you get leaner, you can probably double or triple your calories on a Refeed every week, sometimes more often. 9. Have patience. Slow progress is best to retain muscle mass and to be able to build muscle simultaneously. Those who drop 30 pounds in a month usually become skinny fat, not ripped. 10. When you're starving to death, not literally, winking face, eat more vegetables. Eat more vegetables. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Till our next video.